How to install BlueStacks. First, you need to go to their official website. Click the download button right here. After it's done downloading, open the file. You can also customize your installation if you want to change the folder on where you want to install BlueStacks. Click install now and it should start downloading. After it's done downloading and installing, it will open BlueStacks. Now, in order to play mobile games, you need to sign into your Google Play account. After signing in, that's it. You can now play mobile games on your PC.